asuntoskeittiö säästökenno.
Yes, the date is the 9th of July 2021 years. Kastelholmantie, Kastelholmsvägen 3 to 4, but this is building 3, Stickers B. We have only the Stickers C until left to get into this building. We have been in building 4 or 4 Stickers already. The right floors here was built by ValmetSchlieren. And we don't need to go to the building 3 Stickers C because we're on switching next. Yeah, I turned 55 years old in 2018, but also 60 years old in 2023 when it will be inspected again. The serial number is VS307 and you can best these 3 pairs to avoid runs. 8 floors. It's a bit dark inside.
Yeah.
No memory. I should fix the lamp here.
Yeah.
Amazing. Fast. But not a bad maintenance. Not a good one.
Yeah.
I think S-plates are probably more ice than it need.
Yeah.
Because it's generic, so maybe that's the case. Because of maintenance.
Yeah. Sitten pakki vaisuttaa, meidän pääs pois.
A second ride. I love the sounds of vibration here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Next one we will get the Stickers SC and the
That's it.